It seems that Samsung will continue to use 4 cameras on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The next flagship phone will most likely include the same primary, wide-angle, and one of the zoom cameras as the previous generation. However, an update for the secondary zoom camera is expected, which should improve the phone's ability to zoom in. Furthermore, there is speculation that the Galaxy S24 Ultra may provide improved zooming while recording 8K videos. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to include a 200MP primary camera, a 12MP wide-angle camera, a 10MP telephoto camera, and a 50MP telephoto camera, according to tipper Ahmed Quader. This improved camera arrangement is expected to enable the phone to capture 8K videos with up to 5x zoom. The greater magnification capacity is attributable to the upgraded 50MP telephoto camera, which features higher resolution and bigger pixels, resulting in superior light capture. In comparison, the present Galaxy S23 Ultra depends on digital zoom for recording 8K videos, but the next Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 5x optical zoom lens for better zoom capabilities when recording 8K videos. Furthermore, according to the rumor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra would have portrait mode with 5x zoom, boosting its photographic skills. The phone is reported to offer enhanced stability in both daytime and low-light situations. The AI Object-Aware engine, which purportedly works on both front and back cameras, is expected to include capabilities such as portrait effects and other creative image possibilities. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to use the same 12MP selfie camera as the Galaxy S23 series. According to Ahmed Quader, Samsung has allegedly cooperated with Meta to improve picture and video quality while posting material on Facebook and Instagram. This collaboration seeks to allow users to submit high dynamic range (HDR) photographs and videos directly on Meta's social media channels. The idea is to improve overall picture quality when users capture and share memories directly inside these social media applications. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.